Hello, it's Robert Schwemmer, and welcome to my channel where we explore above and below the sea and from the sky. I was recently visiting the Port of Los Angeles in San Pedro on a beautiful day with clear skies. I had a little extra time to kill that morning and got my Mavic 3 Classic drone in the air to capture a rare view of the gantry cranes with no evergreen ships moored at the Everport container terminal. I also got the opportunity to capture video of the reefer or refrigeration ship, Cool Magnus, at berth 55 offloading grapes. The grapes arrived from Chile during the months of December through April. Eventually these ships will be replaced since grapes can now be shipped in reefer shipping containers. I'm going to also check out the Freewell Bright Day 4-pack. It's ND filters that are designed for the Mavic 3. Oh well, not the fireboat water salute I was expecting. Well, I sure hope you enjoyed this short visit to the Port of Los Angeles. I would like to thank my loyal subscribers And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and maybe consider subscribing. Thank you.